Hey, hello everybody. I'm in Sewall's Point Park right now. This is not far from Stuart and just a bridge over from Hutchinson Island. This is all part of Martin County on the Treasure Coast of Florida. South of Jensen Beach and east of the city of Stuart. Sewall's Point is a town located on the peninsula of the same name. Population is around 1991. It's incorporated June 12, 1957. Sewall's Point, with high fertile hammocks situated between the St. Lucie and Indian rivers, attracted this area's earliest settlers. These pioneers cleared the land, planted pineapples and citrus, and traveled to Titusville by sailboat for supplies. In the 1890s, most of the peninsula was divided into 10-acre tracts that were soon purchased by wealthy northerners who built winter homes. The caretakers lived on the estates year-round, and the owners came only during the season to enjoy the warmth, boating, fishing, and socializing. When the railroad and automotive replaced boats as the common mode of travel, Sewall's Point became relatively isolated. This ended in 1957 with the construction of bridges to the ocean, and soon the river-to-river estates were being subdivided. Tolls were removed from the bridges in 1961, and the bridges were formally named in 1965. In order to ensure and maintain a high-quality residential community, foresighted individuals petitioned the Florida legislature for incorporation, and on June 12, 1957, the town of Sewall's Point was granted its charter. Sewall's Point, everybody. Here we are. Sewall's Point is known for its natural beauty. Occupying a peninsula, it is bordered by water on the south, east, and west. Shaded by ancient oaks and surrounded on water by the sides of the St. Lucie River and the Indian River Lagoon. This town is a designated bird sanctuary and has been a nationally recognized tree city for over 2 decades. Sewall's Point has a natural, beautiful park with a playground for children and several beaches angled to enjoy beautiful water views. You may also enjoy fishing in the river and water retention area. The park is located across the street from the town hall. Residents of the town are welcome to have parties and other events at the park. A park with a playground, picnic table, a beach, a public restroom, fishing, where dogs are allowed, and they have a gazebo. This park also has a butterfly garden. Florida is a great place with their subtropical climate that let butterflies thrive among many varieties of plants. In fact, most butterflies live their entire lives around plants like the ones in this garden. This is a butterfly habitat. There are 28,000 species of butterflies in the world. Florida has about 170 of them. Sewall Park offers a peaceful and educational experience for all ages. A well-tended garden and viewing areas provide a relaxing environment to learn about all these beautiful insects. Overall, this is a great place to rest and relax. I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.